watering these plants before we go on our morning bike ride.
Quitan los peppers.
Look at that. Those are spicy too. These are my dad's peppers on his garden. ¿Qué son estos, pa?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. We got some green tomatoes. Look at that. Here you can see some more ripe tomatoes hiding in there. A couple of them hiding. Alright guys, it's early. Still got yesterday's dinner on the table, as you can see, but we're getting ready for this ride, and our puppies are getting ready with a morning snack. Yes, so I'm wearing my Mexico jersey, the old one. This is like 3 generations old. This like the jersey doesn't even look like this anymore. But because I've been biking so much, I actually fit into this really well. I actually bought this for like $70 like 4 or 5 years ago, and I've never been able to wear it as much because it was always so tight. But now that we're biking, I fit into it nicely. Hell yeah. And it's low-key the best cycling shirt because it's not cotton, so it doesn't hold your sweat. It allows it to dry off of you so you stay cool. So she just told me that her car has no gas, so how are we gonna get to the park to ride, huh? How you feeling, pa?
Oh, right.
Look at my dad, no one's gonna miss him. Hello. Whew. How you feeling, pa? How you feeling?
Oh, tired.
Tired? Yeah.
Not really tired, but I'm tired.
All right. So we have to cut our bike ride short by like almost 9 miles because my dad's tire is low, and it's dragging and it's making it incredibly horrible to ride. We had to take turns because it was so bad. So we only were able to go 11.5 miles there, which means we have an 11.5 mile back. Usually we would ride 15, break, eat, stretch, and then ride back. But honestly, riding his bike is torturous. It is so low pressure. So we decided 11.5, that was it. You know, 22, 23 miles, better than 0. So we're gonna stop and take a break now. We are showered and hungry as hell after that ride. It was torturous. So me and my dad took turns riding his bike with the low tire, and it was hell. Every little hill gave us trouble, so we were both really tired. So we're both ready to eat right now. How you feeling? How many miles did you do?
5.5.
That's a lot. That's good. Good. How you feeling?
Tired.
Tired?
Yeah.
Tired.
Tired.
So it's Dad's turn to drive today.
I gotta clean up.
Where we at? A classic, a staple.
It's like Are they mom
Dine-
and pop?
Diners? maybe?
Diners, mom and pop. Mom and pop.
How do you guys look?
Dad said he's gonna buy me some books.
Some books? ¿Vas a comprar books?
Botas.
I got cream of chicken soup to start. Oh my god, this thing is delicious.
I want
It's
one
got
of
chicken
these.
in it too, so it's hearty. It's like the appetizer before the appetizer for my meal. We got a salad too. Dad's eating it though. I took a couple bites. Hold on, Bob. So now the tables have turned. Look at that. I have no food. No food. And they have all the food. How is it, Pa? ¿Cómo está la comida?
Oh, delicious.
He hasn't even tried it.
He's eating with his eyes. He knows. He knows what the quality is here. He knows what to expect. This is how we fuel up after 23 torturous miles on the trail. Finally, it's here, my Cuban sandwich. Oh my Lord, I'm gonna be eating good today. Okay, so we came back from breakfast, but holy smokes, look at these apples. These are some pretty big apples for just a tree in the backyard. What the, do we have GMO water or something? Something crazy about the water here that makes them grow? Got her doing a couple laps too because she was just watching me like, what? That looks so clean though. Alright, I'm saying goodbye to my room for the day. I got my bag packed to go to my girlfriend's house. Oh, gotta go. Gotta go. I don't think I've filmed this angle. I always film it going the other way. That's fine. Oh, I forgot something. Forgot my lunch bag. How am I gonna take lunch tomorrow with no lunch bag? Okay, back to my traditional angle, but look it. Got my lunch bag. Of course it's Carhartt. I mean, what else would it be? What other kind of lunch bag would I take on the daily if it wasn't Carhartt? It's really hot still. Holy cow. Holy camole. Tell me the interior doesn't look majorly upgraded with these new freaking seat covers. Holy cow. The back isn't perfect. Look at this. The back has got some areas that could be better fit, but man, you know what? Not terrible at all. Incredibly satisfied with the purchase, not going to lie. Now let's see how the front looks. Damn, those front seats look nice. They look hella nice. Okay. Let's see. Wow, this is my first time actually sitting on these, and these are comfy. They've got some padding on the side and some bolstering on the seat. I thought it was gimmicky, not gonna lie. I thought my seats had everything that I needed, but wow, these are gonna make driving so much more comfortable, especially since I drive in this like an hour into the city every day and an hour back. These are our games.